travel time for the future of mankind. Now the time is here for Iron Man to spread fear. Vengeance from the grave, killing the people he once saved. Nobody wants him, they just turn their heads. Nobody helps him, now he has his revenge. Heavy boots of lead fill his victims full of dread. Running as fast as they can, Iron Man lives again. Nobody wants him, they just turn their heads. Nobody helps him, now he has his revenge.
In the tiny town where I come from, you grew up doing what your daddy done. And you don't ask questions, you do it just because. You don't climb too high or dream too much. With a whole lot of work and a little bit of luck, you can wind up right back where your daddy was. This little bitty town, oh, it ain't nothing new. We all stick around, 'cause they all tell us to. You swallow your pride just to make your family proud. If I didn't think that it would shut the whole place down, I'd ride my pony right out of this one-horse town. Yeah, this one-horse town. Hey. I'm an old married man at the age of 23. Got two little boys on the baseball team, and that might be their only ticket out. All they got is a worn-out name and a daddy that could have gone all the way. But I hung my saddle up and I settled down. This little bitty town, oh, it ain't nothing new. We all stick around, 'cause they all tell us to. You swallow your pride just to make your family proud. If I didn't think that it would shut the whole place down, I'd ride my pony right out of this one-horse town. Yeah, this one-horse town. This little bitty town, oh yeah, it ain't nothing new. We all stick around.